Welcome to the Best Picks. The best pressure switch is probably one of the most overlooked components in your car's AC system, but it's absolutely vital. This little device is the unsung hero, constantly monitoring the pressure within your AC system to prevent any catastrophic failures. Today, we're diving deep into the world of AC compressor pressure switches, exploring what they do, why they matter, and how to choose the right one for your vehicle. Number 5. UAC SW10080 CAC switch, OE replacement. Introducing the UAC SW10080 CAC switch, a brand new OE replacement. This switch is designed to meet or exceed OEM specifications, ensuring optimal performance for your vehicle's air conditioning system. This is a premium quality component from UAC. It's built to last and provide reliable performance, keeping your AC running smoothly. You can trust it to deliver consistent results. Manufactured to ISO TS 16949 standards, this switch guarantees top-notch quality. It undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets the highest standards of performance and durability. The UAC SW10080C is engineered to match or surpass the original equipment specifications. This ensures a perfect fit and seamless integration into your vehicle's AC system. With this switch, you can expect maximum cooling efficiency. It helps to maintain the optimal performance of your AC system, keeping you comfortable on the road. It's a reliable choice for your cooling needs. What we like. This switch is a direct OE replacement, ensuring a perfect fit and function. It's designed for maximum cooling efficiency, keeping your AC running smoothly. If you are looking for a reliable and high-performing AC switch, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy install and now my AC works great. Exact fit and fast delivery. Compared to my original, this looks better made with aluminum. I think so, should help with the rust and looks just like old one. Number 4. GM Genuine Parts 15 to 50812 air conditioning switch. This is a GM recommended replacement part. It's designed to replace your vehicle's original factory component. You can trust its quality and reliability. This part offers the quality, reliability, and durability you expect. It's made to meet GM OE specifications, ensuring a perfect fit and function. This switch is manufactured to the highest standards. It is built to last and provide consistent performance, just like the original. This part is specifically designed for your GM vehicle. It ensures optimal performance and is a direct replacement for the original part. This product is manufactured in China. It is made with the same standards as the original part. What we like. This part is recommended by GM, guaranteeing it meets the high standards of your vehicle. It offers the quality and durability you expect from an original GM component. If you drive a GM vehicle and want a reliable replacement, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Fits any compressor for a 88 to 94 C1500. Unit works as expected, plugged it in and away we went. A good quality part and functions properly. Number 3. GM 15 to 5687 AC compressor high pressure cutoff switch. This is a GM recommended replacement part. It's designed to be a direct replacement for your vehicle's original factory component. You can trust it for quality and reliability. This part offers the quality you expect from GM original equipment. It's built to last and perform consistently. This ensures your vehicle runs smoothly. This switch is built with reliability and durability in mind. It's made to withstand the rigors of daily use. It will keep your air conditioning system running efficiently. This part is manufactured to GM original equipment specifications. This means it will fit perfectly and function as intended. It's designed for optimal performance. This replacement part is designed for a perfect fit, form, and function. It will integrate seamlessly into your vehicle's system. This ensures your vehicle's air conditioning system operates correctly. What we like. This is another GM recommended part, ensuring the same quality and reliability as the original. It's built to GM's OE specifications for a perfect fit and function. If you prioritize the longevity and performance of your GM vehicle's AC system, consider this switch. What people say. Perfect fit on a 2000 GMC Seria 2500 with Delphi compressor. Replaced compressor in 2000 Silverado and used this switch in new compressor. No issues with fit or function. It fit perfectly for brand new AC compressor and AC clutch for Chevy, GMC, Cadillac and Hummer, by Autopart 60-01588NA new that I replaced on my 2002 Chevy Avalanche. My AC works great. Number 2. UAC SW9970C HVAC pressure switch. This is a brand new, OE replacement pressure switch from UAC. It's designed to be a direct fit for your vehicle's HVAC system. It ensures optimal performance. This switch is built with premium ISO TS16949 quality. It has been thoroughly tested to meet or even exceed OEM specifications. You can rely on it. This pressure switch helps to maintain maximum cooling efficiency. It ensures your air conditioning system operates at its best. It's a crucial component for a comfortable ride. This is a direct replacement part. It is designed to fit and function just like the original. It is easy to install. This product is from UAC. The brand is known for quality and reliability. It's a great choice for your vehicle. What we like. This switch is a direct OE replacement, ensuring a perfect fit and function. It's designed for maximum cooling efficiency, keeping your AC running smoothly. If you are looking for a reliable and high-performing AC switch, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy replacement. Worked perfect. It is fit for 2009 Honda Civic really good. Works great. Number 1. Four Seasons 20994 Pressure Transducer Switch. Today, we're taking a look at the Four Seasons 20994. This is a system-mounted pressure transducer, designed for specific vehicles. It's a reliable component for your vehicle's pressure systems. The part number for this transducer is 20994. This number ensures you're getting the correct replacement part. Make sure it matches your vehicle's requirements. The package is incredibly lightweight, weighing in at just 0.1 pounds. This makes it easy to handle and install. It's a compact and efficient solution. The package dimensions are 3.81 centimeters in height, 6.096 centimeters in length, and 4.064 centimeters in width. It's designed to fit perfectly. This ensures a seamless integration into your vehicle system. This product is designed for specific vehicles. Ensure that it is compatible with your vehicle's make and model. This ensures optimal performance and a perfect fit. What we like. This transducer is specifically designed for your vehicle, ensuring a perfect fit. It's compact and lightweight, making installation easier. If you value a precise fit and ease of installation, you should consider this option. What people say. This one worked great. It clearly states that it fits, but it didn't. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.